I don't know whether we looked on the other end or not, but we found traces of a different kind of green there, that light olive green.
Yeah.
Did we ever get that in there?
I think you might have went
I
on
know I
the,
did, but I don't
yeah.
know whether you did or not. Okay. Now, this end of the car seems to be better than the other end because it was better sheltered in Seashore's storage, and so we don't have to do as much by any means to the sills. And going across them from number 1 to number 8. Sill number 2, with some small exceptions, at this point appears to be okay. It will only need some epoxy reinforcing and possibly some screws. Number 3 is bad, as near as we can tell, 1.5 inches down and 45 inches, which is just about up to that steel plate. Number 4 is probably okay, though as I look at, when I wrote that the other day, I didn't have quite the light that I have now. We may have to skim the top of that and put it on. Whereas number 5, right next to it, has already had some splice work done on it. And you can see a piece that they put in there, and we'll just take that out and replace it with another one. I don't know what we'll find when we take the steel plates up. I have a feeling it won't be too bad, but we'll see. Number 6 is in bad shape, and I think we're going to take down about 3 inches here, and hopefully we're all right. We're going to have to get some stock and fit each one individually. The measurements that I made here are only for estimating purposes. Number 7 is in very good condition. Number 8 is the one that was replaced here, and we can't use it again. All right, looking between the sills, we see truss rod here and another one here. They're actually not the same as the outside ones because these just run straight from one end of the car to the other, and basically they tie the coupler together, because when you pull on the coupler here, you've got to have something very solid, and so it's the whole body. The other thing we see, this loop of wire, these two wires that I have, the one on the right was the power feed to the headlight, and that was in a little box which we will show later on, right here with a socket. The one on the left was grounded to the frame that the headlight sat on, and goes back to the bolster where it's grounded.